Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Webb's videos. And today we're looking at how to divide uh, integers, positive and negative integers. So here I've got a multiplication table, and I got the rules for multiplying integers, whether you have a positive or negative. Similar to multiplication, the division is the same, but instead of multiplying, you're dividing. So first thing you want to do is take a look at your signs and see what you got. So in this first case, we got two negatives. And negative times a negative is a positive, so I have positive. Now we're going to divide. So what you want to do is you want to find the number in the denominator first. You're going to find that number, and it's negative 4, but there's no negative up here. We're going to find 4. And you'll go down to 24, and then go over, and the number that's with that 24 on the left is your answer. So let me show you what that looks like. So I start at 4, go down to where I see 24, and then go over this to the 6. 6 is my answer. Alright, now in this one here, we've got 6 divided by a negative 6. So that's a positive divided by a negative. So that's going to get you a negative. And then I go to 6, go down to what I find 6, and then go over, and you get 1. So it's negative 1. Here we got another negative divided by a negative, which is a positive. So I put positive. And then I go to the denominator, which is 3. And I go all the way down till I find 30. And then go over to 10. So 10 is my answer. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at another one. Okay, here we've got a negative divided by a negative, which is a positive. And we go to 8, and then come down to 56, and then go over. Oh, I did this was wrong. This one should be, you go to 8, go all the way down to 56, and then come over to 7. So you would get 7 here on that one. Alright, let's look at another one. Alright, negative divided by a positive is a negative. So on this one, I go to 7, come all the way down to 42, and then go over to 6, so it's negative 6. Here we got a positive divided by a negative, and then I go to 2, come all the way down to the numerator, which is 6, and then go over and get 3, so it's negative 3. And that's it. That is how you divide integers. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Webb's videos. Have a nice day.